Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Setia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn that whenever a contact is added to a campaign in GoHIghLevel CRM, how we can automatically create loyalty cards for the customers from Walletly. So first let us understand what these software applications are all about. So in this particular integration, we are using three software applications. The first one is GoHIghLevel, which is an all-in-one sales, marketing and advertising platform, or it can be said as a CRM software application. The second one is Walletly, the application which is used to create coupons, loyalty cards for your business to increase the sales. And the third application we are using is Gmail, which is an email service provided by Google. So the idea here is that you have created a campaign in your high-level CRM account. Now you want that whenever a contact or a customer is added to that particular campaign, automatically a loyalty card should be generated for that particular customer and it should be shared on his or her email address. For this, we need to create a connection between high-level CRM, Walletly and Gmail so that whenever a contact is added to campaign, automatically the loyalty cards get generated and it is shared on the email address of the customer. So in order to create an integration between high-level CRM, Walletly and Gmail, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating all these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between high-level CRM and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer whenever the customer is added to a campaign. Then using the details of the customer, automatically a loyalty card will be generated for the customer and it will be shared on the Gmail account of the customer. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between GoHIghLevel account, Walletly and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option and you can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. And you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as GoHIghLevel to Walletly integration. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever a customer or a contact is added to your GoHIghLevel campaign, then automatically a loyalty card should get generated for the customer. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find high level. In the trigger event, we have to select add it to a campaign. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions. So by following these instructions, you can set up the webhook in your GoHIghLevel account. So I'm just going to copy this URL from here. I'll take you to my high-level account. So this is my GoHIghLevel agency dashboard. From here, I'm just going to select my business name. And the business name is Arya Associates. And here, when we scroll down, we can find the triggers option. Click on triggers. Now here we are going to add a new trigger. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add trigger. Here we have to give a name to the trigger. So let's give the trigger name as add contact to campaign. Here you can give the trigger name as per your requirement, and let's say click on save. Now here we have to select what should trigger this rule. So here I am just selecting Pabbly Connect, and here in the trigger we have to select add it to campaign, and here in the actions click on this plus sign add action. Here we have to select Pabbly Connect itself, okay, and here we have to select the action name. So the action name would be execute webhook, and here we have to paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect, okay, and let's click on save. And once it is saved, we have to come to the actions, we have to come to the draft, and we have to click on activate. Okay, and here we can see that it is active now. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to add a contact to the campaign. So I'll just take you to my GoHIghLevel account once again, okay. And here I'll just come to the contacts section and the contact lists. So here I have already created some contacts. I want this particular contact named Ran Glasgow to be added to the campaign. So I'm selecting the contact, and here I'll be adding this contact to a campaign. So add the following contacts. Yes, let's click on OK, proceed. Here we have to select the campaign name. So the campaign name is Shoffy Shop. Here we have to add the action as card, okay, and let's click on add to campaign workflow. Okay, here we can see your bulk action has been scheduled. Click here to check the progress. Okay, and let's click on OK. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see the responses received. So when we scroll down, we can find all the details of the customer. Here we can find the first name as Ran, last name as Glasgow. Here we can find the email address, okay, and here we can find the location address and all other details. So now we want that a loyalty card should get generated for this particular customer. For that, come to this action window, and here in the choose application, let us find Walletly. In the action event, we have to select create loyalty card. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and the brand ID. For that, let us read the instructions. Log into your Walletly account. You will get your API key by selecting your campaign and clicking to API tab. So I'll just take you to my Walletly account. Here we have to come to the campaign option. And here I have created some campaigns. So I'm just going to use this particular campaign for the loyalty campaign. So as this is my test account, here you can see that the test card is generated, and even we can't change the images over here. So this particular card is for the testing purpose, which I am just creating right now. Okay. Here we have to come to the API option. Click on API. Okay. And here we can find the campaign key, API key, brand ID. We can find all the details. So I'm just going to copy the API key from here. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will paste the API key over here. Now the brand ID is required. So we will be copying the brand ID also. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the brand ID also. And let's click on save. And now the Walletly account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Walletly account. Now here the campaign key is required. So we can find the campaign key also over here. So I'll be copying the campaign key and I will be pasting the same campaign key over here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now it is asking for the first name, last name and email address of the customer. So we have already got the customer details from our high-level CRM account. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. Let us map the first name from high level, and the first name was Ran. Here we have to map the last name, and the last name was Glasgow. Here we have to map the email address. So let us map the email address also. If you want to map the phone number, you can map it over here. As I don't have the phone details, I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. Here we can find the success. label and the value as success. And when we scroll down here, we can find the data loyalty card URL. It means a loyalty card has been generated for the customer. Okay. So now we want to share this particular card on the email address of the customer. For that, come to this plus sign and click on Add Actions tab. In the Choose Application, let us find Gmail. In the action event, we have to select Send Email. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Gmail. Now it is asking to choose an account. So I'll be just choosing my account from here. Pabbly Connect wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so let's click on Continue and give away the access as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. Okay, now the Gmail account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to give the recipient email address. Who is going to receive this particular email? So we have already got the customer details from GoHighLevel. So we have to map the same email address of the customer over here. Okay, that is glasgowran058@gmail.com. Now here, if you want to map the CC and BCC email addresses, you can map it over here. Here we have to give the sender name. So I'm just giving it as GoHighLevel. Here we have to give the email subject. So let us give it as loyalty card. Okay, let's scroll down. Here we have to select the email content type. So I'm selecting it as a plain email content. Here we have to give the email content. So let us give it as hello. Let's map the name of the customer, that is Ryan, Glasgow. Please find the attached loyalty card. Okay, and let us give it as regards, GoHighLevel. Here I am just drafting a simple message. You can draft it as per your requirement. Okay, so let's add the card URL over here. Okay, so I am just adding the URL from Walletly. Okay, and this was the loyalty card URL. Okay, and here we can see that our message is ready. Hello Ryan Glasgow, please find the attached loyalty card. Regards, GoHighLevel. Okay. Here, if you want to send some attachment, you can send the files as attachment over here, and here you can give the file name. And let's click on Save and Send. Test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means the loyalty card is shared on the email address of the customer. So let us check it. So here we can find a new message. This is the email account of Ryan Glasgow. I'm just going to open it. Hello Ryan Glasgow, please find the attached loyalty card, and here we can see the loyalty card link. Let's open it and check it. What is there inside this link? Okay, and here we can see the loyalty card which can be used by the customer. A test card is generated over here. Okay, so in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time, that whether our integration is working fine in the real time or not. So I'll just add one more customer to the campaign. So I'm just adding this Devin Parker also to the campaign. Okay, let's click on Proceed. Here we have to select the campaign name. Here I'm just adding the action as card. And let's click on Add to Campaign. Okay, let's click on OK. So the customer is added to this particular campaign, that is Devin Parker also. Now let us check Devin Parker's email address. Okay, and here we can find a new mail from GoHighLevel, and here we can find the loyalty card. Let us open the mail. Hello Devin Parker, please find the attached loyalty card. Here we can find the link. Regards, GoHighLevel. Let's open this loyalty card. Okay, and this particular card is generated for Devin Parker. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect And I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, I'm just going to minimize this trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured the details of the customer whenever the customer was added to a campaign. And using those details of the customer, automatically a new loyalty card was generated for the customer and it was shared on the email address of the customer. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between GoHighLevel, Walletly and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.